high. Some quality exercise bike can also be dirt cheap and still offer an effective way to work out. If you're looking for the best exercise bike under $300, you might consider checking out this best rated exercise bike under $300. First, let's see the features of this great product.
The advanced folding frame design and multi-seating positions of the XTERRA Fitness FB350 folding bike maximizes your use of space while providing a workout that is comfortable and effective. The padded lower back pad, large anatomically designed thick padded seat, and padded seat handles combine to give you a comfortable secondary seating position that will keep you working out longer. To ensure a smooth and sturdy workout, the FB350 utilizes our solid X-frame design with thick steel tubing and a silent belt drive system. Challenge yourself with 8 levels of resistance while you easily keep track of all of your workout data with the easy-to-use console. It provides feedback on your speed, distance, time, calories, and pulse, along with a convenient scan feature. Make your workouts more effective by easily monitoring your heart rate with the handlebar-mounted hand pulse sensors. For improved comfort and convenience, the FB350 features large multi-grip padded handlebars and an accessory holder for your remote control or phone. With folded dimensions under 21 inches by 20 inches and built-in transport wheels, it allows you to store it away when not in use and free up valuable floor space. Start on the road to fitness today with the XTERRA Fitness FB350 folding bike and exceed your expectations.
And these are our fitness experts' ratings for this product.